Okay, here we go with the beast of the 4-lane madness. I've hit another stumbling block. I thought I was onto a winner, and what happened was I was using these cars. I made a rookie mistake. I was using these cars out of the pack, and they're really quite fast. They're really good spinners, and they were going down the track fine. And then I decided to throw down my Holden and this other car. So we sort of have a fast car, I guess a mid-pace car, and a slower car. And what was happening was we were coming out of turn 1 into these little chicanes, I guess, and there just wasn't enough pace even to get through this turn. So what I did then was I thought, right, I stripped all this bottom of the track, all this support, and I lowered it down by I don't know, about 100 to 200 mil. From 100 to 200 mil, I lowered it down all the way, so we have more of a slope coming down this way. Now that seems to work, and I'll throw a car down in a second. But now the issue is this part here coming into this S-bend, and then down to here, and then obviously through the bank, because the bank is quite high, so cars actually do have to go uphill. So now I think what I'm going to have to do, and I don't want to have to do it, is completely strip the track, right, and raise it up by 200 mil. Raise this part here, like the start. Everything's got to go up 200 mil, okay, all the way along. It's not an easy job because everything has to come down to do it. It's a pain in the ass actually. But anyway, let's just run this Holden down and have a quick look. This is going to be where the start gate is. Yeah, makes it down, but it's not great, hey? And of course you get one of the faster cars. And absolutely perfect with a faster car. And I'll get this one here. This is a medium pace car. Actually, here's a quicker car than the Holden. That's not a bad pace actually. Not a bad pace, but you know, you're going to have situations where you're going to have a variety of different cars. I'm not too sure on this one. It's like a little rally car. Let's have a look. And he's just come off the track there. Let's try him again. I do this hundreds and hundreds of times. And yeah, that's rather quite slow. So what do we know about this? We know that it's got to go up. Unfortunately, I think 200 mil, wherever my trusty ruler is, amongst all this crap here. Don't know where it is. Here it is. Hang on a sec. So 200 mil is going to be there, to where my finger is. So by going up 200 mil, that's going to give me a little bit more leverage here. So that's sitting at about 210. So now that'll come up higher. So that'll be double the height. So therefore, I'll be able to get more of a run down through to here. It's just not easy building a track. In particular, 4 lanes. I've never done 4 lanes before, and this is really difficult to get right, and it's got to be right. You know, we're not going to race until I'm 100% locked in with this. So I would say it's going to take me a good day to pull all this down and then re-put everything back up again. So all this support has to go up 200, all the way along here, all the way along here, I'm gonna have to cut some new supports for that. Yeah, she's a big job. So I've got to strip the track apart. Even setting up the track alone takes a long time. And then, fingers crossed, at least if I'm up high enough, I then can, you know, time the track because I'm up high enough. Right now, I'm just too low, just a little bit too low. I could actually shorten the track, right? I could actually just come out of this turn here. Oh, by the way, what I've done here, I've actually made this shorter. I printed some straights off, and you can just insert those in here to make it wider. But this is just a really sharp, like hairpin, I guess. So cars swing around. And I've just put a straight here, just into there. But yeah, anyway, look, there we go again. We will get there, you know, it'll be April before we start racing, but anyway, so be it. You know, it's frustrating, I've got to tell you, I'll give you that. Let's try this Holden again. Look, he was never a good runner anyway, a good roller, this one. But you've got to try these cars out. Good pace through there, loses a bit there, not bad there, but you can just see there where, bang. That is our issue, is right here now. So it's all got to come up, so then I can get this on greater slope to hit into there. Okay, I'll be back in a day or two. Wish me luck. Okay, catch you later.